Hi guys, Niecy Harmon here of Niecy's Kitchen, and we have our special guest today. Your name is?
My name's Jett Harmon.
Well, you gotta say it to the camera. Your name is? Look
Jett
right.
Harmon.
Okay, so this is Jett, and he will be helping us today. We're gonna be making ice cream. Are you at home and you don't know what to do with your children? Well, this is what we do all the time. We make ice cream. Isn't that right? Okay, so let's get started. First thing we need is some
Ice.
Yep, we gotta have that ice, and you know what this is?
Sugar.
This is salt. So we got salt. We have
Sugar.
and we have vanilla extract. We put the top on there. We have milk, but since you can't really have regular milk, we got almond milk, but you can use any type of milk that you want. Okay, he does his happy dance while we make ice cream, okay? So we have our almond milk here. We also have our measure. Hold on. We have our measuring tools here, and you need a large Ziploc bag and a small Ziploc bag. Okay, Jett, you gotta do that during the video though. Okay, so here we go. This is the bag in which we're gonna put our ice cream. So Jett, this is what I need you to do first. Here's the milk. Go ahead and pour the milk in the cup. We need 1 cup of milk. So go ahead and pour it now. All right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you did good. All right, so we got 1 cup of milk. Okay, here, pour the milk in a bowl, man. The milk in a bowl. All right, so he puts the milk in the bowl here, and then we're going to take the sugar. We need a 1/4 cup of sugar.
I got the sugar.
All right, so dig in here and get your 1/4 cup of sugar. You gotta fill it all the way up. So use your man shrimp. You got man shrimp?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, put that in there.
I did.
Okay. And we need some vanilla extract. All right, so we're gonna use a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Yeah. Catherine.
Nah, man, don't drink that. That's not good for your body. All right, so I'm gonna put it in here. You can pour it.
Why that's not good for my
Too much, but more vanilla is even better. So go ahead, pour that in there.
Why did I get wiggy? Because it's not good for my body.
I guess it's not good for your body. Where's the top, man? You got the top in your hand?
No, it's fine.
Oh, okay, put the top
I
on.
didn't have.
All right, so now we have to put the sugar in there. We have our milk as well as the vanilla. And what we're going to do is put all of that in the small Ziploc bag. So you can help me put it in there. So we're gonna put it in a small Ziploc bag. Hey, Mom.
Hey, what happened?
So here's our milk, sugar, and vanilla extract mixture.
Can
Hold on 1 second, Jett. Then we're going to make sure we take as much air out of the bag as possible. And then we're going to seal it. We want to make sure you seal it really good, because if you do not seal it really good, then it's going to leak. And it's probably going to taste like salt. So make sure that it's sealed really good. I'm actually going to get a second bag to put this in. So hold this for me. You can shake it up if you want. All right, put this in the second bag. And this is just to seal it so that it doesn't taste like salt. So if we wanted to make, we're making vanilla now. But if you want to make chocolate, you just add cocoa powder in here. If you want to make strawberry, then you just take some fresh strawberries and crush it up. But we're going to make vanilla today. All right? So we put it in the bag.
Well, I don't want to get wet.
We'll make strawberry next time, okay? Next thing, in our big bag, we're going to add 3 cups of ice. So we already measured the ice. And we're going to put it in the bag here. Ooh.
Wow.
And then we're going to add 3/4 cup of salt.
You want to put in the what's that?
So So you're gonna pour it in there. So the reason that you put the salt with the ice is because the salt helps the ice get colder. Because ice right now is not cold, just cold enough. So with this, it'll make the ice a little bit colder. So that's 1/4 cup. Here is 2/4 or 1/2 cup.
Hang on.
Whoa. There we go. And then this is 3/4. Do you like ice cream?
Yes.
What kind of ice cream do you eat on a regular basis? Hold that. Nope. Oh. Okay. Well, that's almost 3/4 cup. Okay. So we take our small bag. Hey, man. Are you playing or are you helping? Come on, man. Put your small bag in the large bag. So here, there you go. Put it in there. Alright, so we put the large bag, the small bag in the large bag. Okay, Jett. Hold on a second. And then we're gonna seal it up. Now, you may need some type of towel because it's gonna get really, really cold. And what we're gonna do is shake it. So we're gonna shake, shake, shake. So we're gonna keep shaking it and shaking it, and you want to shake it for about 10 minutes or until you can feel that your milk mixture is hard. So let's shake it up. What's your favorite thing to make?
Donut.
Donut? I made donut. Is there anything you want to say to the people out there?
Yeah.
What you want to say to them?
Okay. Hi.
How your mama doing?
Hi. See your mama come back.
See when your mama come back. Oh! It's cold. All right, so.
It's like now.
All right, well, let me tell the people what to do, okay? So, as you can see, it's hard now, but it'll probably be more of a slushy type texture. However, if you use heavy cream instead of milk, it'll be like the real thing. So what I'm doing is wiping the bag off. And the reason that it's a little bit of a browner color is because we use almond milk instead of regular milk. And we're gonna put it in this nice clear bowl. So here is our ice cream. I got a spoon for you.
Yay!
I got a spoon for me. Hold up, let them see. Get you a spoonful. We're gonna eat it together. Mmm. Cold. Homemade ice cream. Get you some.
I could get it.
There you go. You can make it anytime you want. You got with basic ingredients. So hope you enjoyed our show. Subscribe to us on Instagram. Enjoy. Say enjoy.
Joy.
See you later. Bye-bye.